Hello guys, welcome back to a video. I don't have much time right now. I'm being chased by a Goomba. That's right, it's Super Mario Bros. It's not really Super Mario Bros. There has a little twist. This is, I think it's a fan game based off of a game called Super Mario Maker, called Super Mario Bros. I don't know if this is usual because like I said before, I have not played this, and only from my friend you've heard this. But yeah, so just having this. But wait, start the level editor? What is all this? I'm gonna create a course for big boy to get past here. So big boy is obviously Mario salads. Then we'll have that. And of course we need to add the top of it. No, reset. Why am I doing this underground, you may say? Well, I've played this before, so don't get too excited. Like this is my first reaction. It's not. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We're just gonna have Goombas in the ground, I guess. Yeah. Now you gotta see if this is the right difficulty. Frick yeah, this is the best difficulty ever. Oh, reset. Now I'm gonna make a thing that I like to make every now and then. I call it It's Raining Goombas. It's Raining Goombas. So yeah, it's raining Goombas. That's all I have to say. It's raining Goombas. Salads. It's gonna have like a wall here. There's a wall to block off everything, so nothing can get outside. And let's watch. It's raining Goombas from out of the sky. Goombas, no need to ask why. Just keep on jumping before they murder you. It's raining Goombas, it's raining Goombas. There we go, that is It's Raining Goombas. You can also try to climb the wall. I sometimes do it like this because it's meant for climbing. And also stopping the Goombas from escaping. But you need something special to get up there. And that special thing is another block. Now let's try It's Raining Goombas again. It's raining Goombas. Oh frick. It's raining Goombas. I don't like this challenge. It's where you get the drill. The Goombas are just falling from the sky. I don't enjoy this. There's even one that sometimes gets stuck on the wall. This is that odd one. There's just one there. Now he's gone. Now let's try to climb this wall. And we still can't reach that one block. Oh well. Let's reset. Let's try something different. Let's make the wall a unique wall. As you see here, there's a Goomba going to be inside the wall. As you see, it's now going to be climbable. It's actually going to be pretty cool. Then you're going to access a cool new level. Whoa! I call it It's Raining Koopa Troopas because it's raining Koopa Troopas in this one. You thought raining Goombas was hot enough? Now you gotta get past a bunch of Koopa Troopas being rained. Some of you may be like, oh my god! I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Characters! Koopa Troopas! the Goombas. Oh yeah, where are the Goombas that don't exist? We need to add in the Goombas. It's raining Goombas from out of the freaking sky. Freaking Goombas. There's a room full of Koopa Troopas. You won't get away from me! We just got a bunch of Koopas. Koopa Troopa! Let's add another salad. Let's put a black. Oh my freaking god. This is so amazing. We just got a bunch of Koopas. And we just got a full glitch there. Full of Koopas. Koopa Troopas. Huh. It's gonna be hard to climb the walls, so I'm probably gonna take me a lot. Yeah, guys, it's gonna take me a lot of time to climb this wall, but I will eventually. Oh, it's definitely possible. It's definitely possible. I just can't realize how to do it. Like I did it. That's a thing. That's a hard thing, though. You could try to climb the walls with the Goombas. I think it's personally hard. Oh, you know what I should add? You could just have a shell right in there. So yeah, these Goombas are gonna get away. That's fine. Fine by me. Oh my god, we just got a bunch of Koopas over there. Koopa Troopa! That may sound familiar if you know about my FNAF 6 series. Please get me up there, please let me up there, please let me up there, let me up there, let me up there. I do not want to fall. Come on. It's hard. That's all I need to say, it's hard. We'll put a star in there just for good measure. Gonna stomp on these guys, they're gonna get away, but that's fine. And there it is. The super stars just chilling in there, waiting to be collected. There we go. That's what makes it easier. And I'm gonna climb the wall. Yeah. It's raining Goombas. It's raining Koopa Troopas. What's next, you may ask? Well, it's a pretty simple one to get past, but I still have it for absolutely no reason. I don't know why I decided to think of this, because it's literally just a boost. I only made it to help you guys out for the next stage. Okay. Now we just gotta... Items. And also, bam. And also, bam. And also, bam. Take care of all these frickin' Goombas. Nobody frickin' cares about these frickin' monsters. They're awful. Star! Give me. Come back here. You cannot escape. I'll escape my wrath. That star will not stop going forward. Star. I want everything. Oh, frick. But yeah, it's raining Goombas and stuff.